Good morning, dear crafters, and from Sweden here. You are welcome, new ones as old ones. So today I am introduce you to the full journal, ring bound, and we are going to glue down the dates. So here we go. The first page, I made some background and a little tags, and the tag with you can open here and put in whatever you want. So you see, so I am in the frame, and here we have day 1. We put it over there. So, and I have those. They are too small, so I have to divide it up in 2. And then I'm going to have those 2 vellum, some buttons, and a little text. And here we have a tag, and it's day 2 here. If we put it over there, maybe, I think. Yep, we do that. And day 3 is here. Is my vintage. It's a long one. You can find it on my coffee. Really vintage. So, and we said day 3. Put it over there. So, and I put number 4 over here. It's a writing page, or it's a tag I have made. And you have number 5. We put it over there. So, three, 4, 5. And here we have number 6. Here happen a lot of things. I made a tube. You have seen them. And small tags all over. I have a video about you can make those tubes. We are in number 6. I think we are going to glue it down there. Number 6. And you continue with the tube. Number 7. A little different. And we going to have number 7. Over here. So we do 7, and here we have 8. A tag, double tag, and some, doilies. I have shown you. And we set number 8 over here. Are we going to place it over there maybe? Let's see if we can see it. We can do like that as well. We do that. Oop. There are something wrong with this glue stick, I think. So there we have number 8. Next are number 9 is the other side, and we have those 2 and a Santa. Oop. And we put them in here. So. Come on. So. The little snowman. What would we have? 8. We should have 9 over here. So 9. This is a totally writing space. So is an add-ons, or what you call it for. 9. Now we have 10 here, belly band with small things I have sewn together. You have to do something with them, right? We have a lot of small pieces. So, and we have number 10 over here. We can put it over there, I think. Number 10. On the other side, number 11. And a little envelope. Open. You can attach some writing paper. So, and number 11, we put it over there. So, it was the first part of my journal. So now we are going to we take them over there. Now we have 11. I have a flip out. It's Artemace's beautiful Christmas kit. It's an old one, but I love it. So there we have 12, and it's still Artemace's, some RTC card with some stickers. So And we have, what do we have? 12. Then we have 13 over there. So, Jesus. And we are putting it here. 13. Next are 14. Here are some vellum. Here we go. It's an envelope. You cut and you fold it. Here we have a big one, a smaller is from my Christmas kit. As I said before, I have not sell one. Maybe it's too expensive or it's not good enough. Who knows? It's not going to letting me down. No way. There are worse things to happen to you. 14, and then we have 15, and here we have a cow, a Christmas tree, and from my journal or from my kit. And my little cow, I love it. So, and now we are going to place. I think we are going to place it there. My hands are so dirty. I am so sorry for that. There was 15. Now we're going over to 16. Here we have some green and red and vellum, small tags. This tags from, I think it's from last year's Christmas. So, put this one over here and the small ones over there. And we have number 16. Shall we have it over there? Or we just tuck it in. We do that. 16. And then we have 17. It's a bag. You have maybe seen it before. It's really funny to do. And you can store some beautiful things over there. So, and it was 17. We see, maybe we are going to have it over there. So, 17. Soon it's a new year, but firstly we are going to have Christmas. 17, we have 18. It's a CD player. Maybe we're going to have it somewhere. put it over there, I think. Then we have 19 is the other side. I don't think it's going to open, so we are going to glue it down there. You see, it's a really cute one, a little doily. So. And there we have 19. Next are 20. I have not made something special, only from my kit. 19, 20, 21 is envelope with a Christmas card. And a belly band as a closure. And I think we are going to have it somewhere here, I think. So we can see it, I think, yes, we can. There was 21. And here are my Christmas tree. Little different from other Christmas. And we have 22 over there. And a Christmas tree here as well. You fold a half circle and it will be a Christmas tree. We have 22 and here we have a 23. So, and here are 24. A big tag from Artemis. It's really tight over here. So I have to have been satisfied with my work over here. I'm a little bit tired of Christmas things now. So there we have the whole you see ring-bound journal, and if you take it together it's not doable, right? So I have to have them like that. I have going to bought a bigger rings. You see, there are really big ones. So I thank you. See you next time. Bye.